What if one drop could soften wrinkles, boost collagen, and heal inflammation naturally? Castor oil, a remedy dating back to ancient Egypt, is being re-examined by dermatologists and researchers alike. The question is, can it really enhance facial health without synthetic chemicals? Today, we'll explore 5 science-backed benefits. No hype, just evidence. Castor oil is derived from the seeds of Arecaceae caninus and is uniquely rich in ricinoleic acid, a monounsaturated fatty acid known for its anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, and skin-penetrating properties. It penetrates the skin's outermost barrier, the striatum corneum, and influences the dermis, promoting hydration and tissue repair. According to the 2021 NIH overview, typical application of castor oil has shown measurable effects in enhancing skin smoothness and wound healing. Think of it like a natural myelin. Castor oil is often praised for its anti-aging effects, particularly its ability to reduce fine lines and boost collagen. The higher ricinoleic acid content in castor oil stimulates the production of prostaglandin E2, a compound that enhances microcirculation and fibroblast activity, cells essential for collagen production. Think of it as a boosting your skin's internal scaffolding. Apply 2 or 3 drops of a cold-pressed castor oil nightly, directly to clean skin. Massage gently, focusing on areas like crow's feet and forehead lines. A 2019 study published in the Journal of Cosmetic Dermatology confirmed improved dermal density after 6 weeks of use. Avoid using if you have a known allergy to nuts or seeds, as a reaction are possible despite typical use. Subtle improvement often begun with 2 weeks, especially in areas prone to dryness and fine lines. Castor oil offers deep, long-lasting hydration without clogging pores, making it ideal for the dry or combination skin types. It acts as an occlusive agent, preventing transepidermal water loss, while also enhancing skin's natural ceramide production, essential for barrier function. Imagine sealing cracks in a dry wall before painting. It prevents deeper damage. Use 2 to 4 drops daily after cleansing, especially during dry weather or after sun exposure. Blend it with aloe vera for added benefits. 2020 trial demonstrate significant improvement in the moisture retention and skin elasticity over 4 weeks. People with oily or cane-prone skin should use sparingly to avoid comedogenic build-up. Castor oil may reduce inflammation and help calm red, irritated skin, making it a gentle alternative to harsher acne treatments. Ricinoleic acid inhibits inflammatory pathways such as COX2, which plays a major role in acne. It's like turning off a fire alarm before it escalates into a blaze. Apply 1 drop diluted in a fine teaspoon of jojoba oil directly to breakouts every other night. A 2022 study highlighted castor oil's anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial actions against C. acnes, the bacteria responsible for acne. Avoid using during active cystic breakout, always advised by a dermatologist, as it may trap heat or oil. Results vary, but reduced redness is often visible after 3 to 5 uses. With its natural antimicrobial properties, castor oil helps protect your skin from common bacterial and fungal infections. The triglyceride composition disrupts microbial cells membrane while Andesonic acid, a breakdown product, is particularly effective against gungun. Picture it as a microscopic armor for your face. That a single drop on small cuts, blemishes, or a post-shaving irritation. 2018 NIH review recognized castor oil's broad-spectrum action against Staphylococcus aureus, Candida albicans. Don't apply it to the deep wounds or open sores, as it may slow oxygen exposure. It's a handy addition to any natural skincare first aid kit. Castor oil may help reduce the appearance of scars, age spots, and pigmentation when used consistently over time. It penetrates deep into dermis and enhances cells turnover, while also reducing melanin accumulation. Think of it like a gentle exfoliation combined with a cellular renewal. Massage 2 drops daily onto affected areas for at least 6-8 weeks, preferably at night. A 2020 pilot study observed a noticeable fading in a post-anti-inflammatory hyperpigmentation in 70% of subjects. Several underlying factors accelerate skin aging, inflammation, and acne, making natural interventions like a castor oil more appealing. Chronic dehydration improves the skin barrier function and it promotes wrinkle formation. Even mild dehydration reduces skin elasticity. Oxidative stress, driven by environmental pollution and UV radiation, damage collagen and elastin. Hormonal imbalances, particularly elevated androgens, is strongly associated with adult acne and oil overproduction, while castor oil supports facial healing. Internal factors like exercise, diet, and hormone pulse must be managed for long-term skin wellness. Castor oil offers compelling, evidence-based benefits for a facial skin, from reducing fine lines to support barrier repair. Its natural composition makes it an accessible option for many skin types. However, as always, consult with a skincare professional before adding to your routine, especially if you have underlying conditions. If you found this video helpful, like it, subscribe,